Okay, they lost their wing, they put it back on and they're losing it again. They're also losing their gear. Now these guys haven't done a lot of BRM racing by the sound of it. They don't know how to set their gear message. I know, chaparral! We have two in the pits, gear problems. They need to know how to set their gear mesh tighter. They're leaving it too loose and jumping on the throttle, they're tearing up gears. It's a learning experience. Meanwhile, out on the track, the American team are still turning laps, making time. Okay, they're still doing good, and meanwhile, back in the pits.